Hi all, welcome back to Matlab tutorial on tube fill grip. This session is on the unit impulse signal generation and visualization in Matlab. In signal processing, the impulse response or the impulse response function of a dynamic system is its output when presented with a brief input signal called an impulse. More generally, an impulse response is the reaction of any dynamic system in response to some external change. The impulse response can be used to find a system's spectrum. So let's see how to generate the unit impulse signal in Matlab. The impulse function is given by del of t equal to 1 for t equals to 0 and 0 otherwise. So this is the mathematical representation of a unit impulse signal. So while generating signals, its range has to be specified, and this could be done in two ways. You could either directly specify the range value, say for example -5 to 5 or 0 to 10, etc. Or it could be specified during the runtime of the program using the input function in Matlab. So let's get started. So first let's define the lower and upper limit. So let's use the input function to read the values. So let's say input the lower limit first. So lower limit. Now let's say n2, which is going to read the upper limit. So let x be the range. So let's say x is varying from or n1 to n2. X ranges from n1 to n2, which is nothing but your lower limit and the upper limit. Now how do you write your output? So if y is representing your output, how do I write the same? Let's say y is equal to x equal to 0, because only at the point where x is 0 you have your output. That is 1 here. For all the other case, your output is 0. Recollect the mathematical representation what we have just discussed. Now let's use a stem plot to visualize this. So stem of, I'll say x comma y. So we are done. Let's run our code and check our output. Okay, so when you run the code, it is asking the user to give the lower limit. So let's give it as -5. Then it asks for the upper limit. So let me give it as 5. So the range here is from -5 to 5. Alright, so see here, we got the impulse function here. Only when your x is 0 you have your output, and the magnitude of the same is 1. So this is how you generate a unit impulse function in Matlab, and it's one of the best test signals that we use in Matlab. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. And please don't forget to tap the bell icon. You'll get notified whenever we upload a new videos. Thank you.